giant river otters. At nearly 6 feet long, the world's biggest. And boy, are they powerful. Muscular and agile too. Each one eats 8 pounds of fish a day. These are just quick bites. They'll need something much more substantial, like 20-pound peacock bass. The fish seek safety by hiding amongst submerged branches. But together, the otters flush them out, driving them into the shallows. But not all this fish is going to be eaten right now. The family starts heading back upstream. Someone has been missing out. He's too small to join the hunt, and he's hungry. There may be fish all around him, but pups don't think of them as food. Yet. This is just an adventure. He's got a lot to learn. Not sure this tapir is going to be much help. At last, his family has returned with the catch of the day. That does look good. And he's not going to wait to be offered it. In a couple of months, he'll be hunting for himself.